Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Onyx 8. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And after that, if it's turned off, just click on your device at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, press one time at the power button or at the top of your speaker to turn off your speaker. And after that, press at this power button again to turn on your speaker. This speaker will reconnect to your phone and we should have connection again. But sometimes it don't want to reconnect automatically. Oh, this time it's made it. Cool. Now, if this method didn't help you also, we should remove and add this device. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that the speaker is turned on, so just press at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode and click on it at the device list. Cool, we have connection again. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that press at the same time volume up button that look like a plus and Bluetooth button until your speaker is turned off. And we can see it by this LED light. If it's gone, it means that it's turned off. Yeah, here we go. Now we should remove it from the phone. So information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and after that press at the power button to turn on your speaker, and after that at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And then click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!